If you're getting a network error in Firefox on your PC, yeah, that usually means the browser can't reach the internet or the connection is being blocked. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is working. Try opening another website or app to confirm your connection is stable. Next, restart your router and your computer. This fixes most temporary network glitches instantly. Now close Firefox fully and reopen it. Yeah, stuck browser sessions can sometimes block network requests. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. These can block or redirect traffic and cause network errors. Now, check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks Firefox from accessing the internet. Next, try opening a private window and load the site again. Yeah, this helps rule out extension or cache issues. Now disable all extensions temporarily. Ad blockers or security add-ons can sometimes break network access. Next, clear cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can cause connection failures. Now reset your DNS settings. Yeah, DNS issues can prevent Firefox from resolving websites properly. Next, make sure Firefox is updated. Older versions can have network bugs or compatibility issues. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Firefox. This fixes corrupted network configuration files inside the browser. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve Firefox network errors on your PC and get you back online.